So here's what we're going to use to put on to the end of the main cable for the park brake. This is actually for some rope cable decking, basically. So 1/8" cable rope, and then this gets crimped onto it, and then you have some threaded adjustment to tension it. So we're going to use this to crimp onto the main cable over here. I'm going to use put another nut on here so we can double nut it, adjust the tension. There we go. We got 4 crimps over here. It's a stainless steel sleeve. Hopefully that holds.